Okay, okay, okay. So what I'm going to do now, guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create one what? I'm going to create one application, right? So just what I'm going to do now, app app config application demo. Okay. So now fine, guys. So next what is that? I'm taking what is the 2.3.1 version Lambok API also I'm taking, right? Next, finish it. It's taking time, guys. Okay. Now app configuration. Okay, so now fine, project is created now, guys. Okay. So fine, now what I'm going to do now, guys, what I'm going to do now, fine. So I'm going to create what? One package. What is the package name? Address class. I said that if class is there between what is that has a relations, and then development will start from the child only, right? So child only. So now for what we will do now, just I'm going to create what? One package. Inside that class I will create it now. So what is that? New class, right? New class. Okay. So dot addr, right? Package name. Now what is that? Address. Now find the class is created now, guys. Okay. So class is created. So this class is, so how many attributes are there? HNO and location, right? HNO, home number, and what? Location. So now let's see that. Private what? Private integer home number, right? Home number. Another one is what? Private string. Private string. What is that? Location, LOC, right? Location. Now fine, guys, our address class is ready now. So to generate the setter getter method, what we will do now, either rate data annotation we will apply on the top of what? On the top of what? Class Lombok API, guys. Okay. So now fine, Lombok API already I explained. I hope no one need, right, to explanation what is that at the rate data. Okay, so now this area is completed now, guys. Okay, guys, uh, after 10-minute meeting will end. Okay, by default. So reconnect yourself until unless if I'm not saying class will over. Okay, so now, okay, calm.rk.address is there, right? Calm.rk. This class is ready now. So let's develop this class. Okay, let's what? Develop what? Employee class. So now fine, guys. So let's start it. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, again, I'm taking one package, right? One package. What is that? New? What is that? Com dot rk dot what? Emp, right? Com.rk dot emp. Now what is that? Employee class is there. Now finish it. Now finish it. Okay, fine. Now okay, so how many attributes are there? How many attributes are there? Emp id, emp name, address, right? Emp id, emp name, address. So what is that? Private emp what? Id, right? Emp id, emp id, that is what? Integer. Another one is what? Private what? String emp name. Another one is what? We have need to make the address class with what? Has a relation. So what we will do now? Private address addr, right? Addr. Now find control shift O to import the address class inside that what? Employee. So fine now, guys. So to generate what is that setter getter method, what we will do now? We will apply on the top of this class. What is that? At the rate data, right? At the rate data. So fine now, guys. Okay. So both classes is ready now. Both classes is ready now. But how? Just if I run the application, see that we can't get any result, right? We can't get what? Any result. Any result. So runner class. Okay. This is the main class. Which one will make the what is that? Entry class of what is Spring Boot. Now run the Spring Boot application. No object will create. No object will create. See that no object is creating and we are not getting any information on console, right? So to give the input to our IOC container, this is the classes, predefined classes. Just think about this is the predefined classes to create the objects. So how we can create? Again, we will write one class. Okay, new. What we will do now? Class. What is that? Com dot what? Rk dot config config, right? So here what is that? App config, right? App config finished now. So now fine, guys. So what is that? So see this. Okay, see this. What is that? Configuration, right? Configuration is there, right? Configuration is there. So if we want to make that class, this is the normal Java class, right? So how our container will understand this is the configuration class? We will apply on the top of what is that? Configuration class, right? Oh sorry, configuration interface. Then our IOC container will treat this class as what? Configuration class. Okay, this is the special class of what? This is the special class of what? Our bean, right? So now, okay, number of bean equal to number of method. So how we will? This is the address class, right? This is the address class. So okay, so now public. What is that? Public address add. Just I'm taking the method name. Now return null just for the after giving the input. I will control shift O. Now fine, guys. So here what we will do now? Addrs, because attributes are there, right? Now a equal to what? New address, right? New address. Okay, so fine. Ad dot what? Ad dot set. What is the HNO 101, right? Home number is what? 101. A dot what? Set. A dot what? Set location. Location is what? Mysore, right? So now fine, guys. So return the address, right? Return the address. That class we have need to return it. But our IOC container will not treat this class as what? Our IOC container will not treat this class as what? What is that? This method is what? Bean method. So what we will do now? We will apply on the top of what? At the rate bean annotation, right? Bean. What is that? Bean annotation. Then our IOC container will treat this method is what? What is that? Bean configuration method. Then our what? Address class object will create it now. Okay, so fine now, guys. Next one is what we will do now. Next one, again one more bean is there, right? One more bean is there. What is that? Employee class is there, right? So what is we will do now? Public class, sorry, public employee, public employee emp, just method name, anything you can take, right? Return null, right? Return null. Fine. So now next what we will do now? Inside this employee, right? Inside this employee, three attributes are there. We have need to set the data, right? So what we will do now? Employee equal to new employee, right? New what? Employee. Fine now, guys. So what we will do now? Next, e dot what set what is that? Emp id just 201 I'm setting now. Okay, so after the next one is what? E dot what? Set what is that? Emp name after my name only, right? Ravi. I'm taking what? Ravi. Fine now, guys. Another one is what? Address class. We have need to inject inside this employee what? Employee associate with what? Associate with what? Address class. So now what we will do now? Again e dot what? set what address, right? E dot set address. Inside this address, what we will do now? Address method we will pass it, right? Address method we will pass inside this what? Inside this class. Now what we will do now? Next one is what will happen now, guys? This one, this method will be returned, right? This method we will, this object we will return. Okay, so now fine. Now what is the benefit? Okay, first SO, what is your name? Just SO, I'm able to read it. What is your full name? SC Sahas, what I can pronunciate your name, may I know that? What is that? Just I said that predefined in future, right? Whenever we will move in what module, right? Everything we will get what? Sachin, oh Sachin. Okay, Sachin. Whenever we will move in future, what is that? In module like MBC is there. Okay. After then, what is that? After then, what is that? Email, boot mail. Okay. After then, boot security. There we will get what is that? All predefined classes. We will not create what is that? This like this. What is that? Like this classes. Okay. So just I'm giving what is that? Predefined. Just think about that these two what is that predefined classes is there. Okay, so in future whenever we will use predefined classes, then if you habituate like this, okay, then whenever I will write the code, then you will understand, why we are using what is that these things. Okay, these things now got the point. Now got the point. Everything just we are in the what is that core module, guys. Here we are learning what is the in the core module, what we are learning, what rules and a regulation, except that nothing is there in core Java. What we are learning, friend? We are learning what rules and the regulation, how we are writing the variable, what is the syntax, how we can write it. Okay, and what is that after then building then after learning the syntaxes and all those things, what we are doing, then we are using technology and all those things to build the application, build the project, right? So same thing. Yeah, yes, all are repeated things only. That is because without we can't think without right, without what is that Spring, we can't think in Spring Boot. Oh, but in Spring Boot, so what is that in Spring Boot? In Spring Boot, what is that we are playing with what property file only, right? Property file. These things will be this also. This one also will be not there in the future. This one also will be not there in the future because all things we will play with what key and value only, with the property only, right? But just I'm giving analysis to you people, right? Because if this analysis will be not there, right, in interviewer will play with you people, right? So just concentrate on that, right? Concentrate on that. Okay,